We'll let a few more people join, and I have got an important announcement for all the crocheters, knitters, and fiber artists. Hi, anything crocheted. Hi, daydreamer. Hi, Aisha. Hi, Vidyashree. Hi, Lalita. How are you? Hi, Davis Jefferson. Hi, Hand Stories by Prab. Hi, Monisha. Hi, Monisha. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Assorted Delights. Hi, Sakinath. Hi, Shravs. So I started crochet 2 years, 2.5 years back. Hi, Kuhu Kolkata. So, coming to the announcement that I was talking about, are you a crocheter, a knitter, or a fiber artist? So, if you are one among these, we have an opportunity. We have an opportunity for you. So, basically, I understand the problems that all of the crocheters have got, and how difficult it is to sell handmade products for its valuable price, because wherever we see in the market, crochet is always sold at a very less price, and the amount of hours that go into it is like very high, and the value that is given to crochet is like very less here in India. And being a crocheter, I understand all of these problems, and I understand that we do not have any platform. Unlike other countries, we do not have a particular platform where we can sell our products through a website, and also the website costs are very high, and whoever is crocheting, I understand that it is very hard for you guys to manage all of this stuff, like the management of your inventory, the management of your timings, the design, being a household person, or managing your things at your home, and doing crochet is like a quite tough job, because due to corona, now I understood that how much of work goes into household management. So managing all of these, and including crochet as a part of it, and managing that too, is like a super difficult job, and I respect all of you guys. All of you women out there, I respect all of you for still following your heart, and still putting your efforts in crochet. So the announcement here is that you can use crochet now as a platform to sell your products on your name, and to sell at a valuable price, valuing our work, valuing our number of hours and number of working hours, and valuing our number of working hours, our efforts, and everything else. So you can use crochet now as a platform to sell all of your products, and you can decide your own price. And we also provide the facilities of management of logistics, management of your inventory, packing, shipping, and also customer support service. So these can be customized. I mean, the facilities that I have mentioned can be customized based on the requirement of the artist. And also the guidelines are very simple, so you can directly go ahead and start selling it now itself. So all you have to do is that all of the products that are available with you, that are up for sale, you can just email them to crochetnowindia@gmail.com. We'll be having a check on the perfection, and how the work is going on, and we'll be onboarding you by giving you some simple guidelines. The guidelines that we have is like super simple, and you can easily manage everything. So all you have to do is send us your made products that are available for sale to the email ID, and we'll help you with the guidelines, and we'll be discussing all of the terms of onboarding, and we'll be onboarding you under Crochet now. And I think it's time we value our work, we value our efforts, and we value our number of working hours, and we value our design. So so it's time we do not sell crochet at a less price. So it's time we value all of our work and sell our products. And if in case you are a pattern designer or you are a crocheter who wants to write patterns and then publish them, in case you're looking for a space to publish your patterns, you can email us your pattern, and we'll be having few pattern writing standards. And in case if your pattern is if in case your pattern is good, we'll be standardizing the pattern, and we'll be publishing the pattern on under your name. And I think Crochet Now is going to be a great platform going ahead for all of our crocheters here in India, crocheters, knitters, and all the fiber artists. And so that's about the announcement. And going ahead, tomorrow is Diwali, so we would like to offer 10% off on Shiny Baby Soft, because it's shiny and sparkly, and it's time we use Shiny Baby Soft in crochet. So all of the other materials or other yarn that we have is kind of different from this one. I think for Diwali we have to use Shiny Baby Soft. So on Shiny Baby Soft we have 10% off, and that's about it. And in case you have any doubts, you can email me anytime, and you can message me anytime. And if you are one of our customers, we would love to hear feedback from you, even if it is a negative feedback or a positive feedback. We would like to receive it from you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.